Hello, I have a small Temu haul. Victor's here. Say hello, Victor. Hello. And Mr. Retros is here.
Hello.
And I've got Lowe's, Home Goods, Goodwill, Dollar Tree. Yeah, that was it. I'll do Temu first. This was those tactical holsters that they refunded, and then I reordered, and so I'm getting doubled up on them, but that's okay. We have other stuff that will fit in these. But I had no idea these were actually leather. I'm kind of surprised. They're for like $5. Weird. And I reordered the pin too, so I'm double on that. Nuts. Yeah. And then I got, what is this? This headband looks way bigger in the picture and more deluxe and fancy. This looks kind of funny. It's nothing like in the picture. No, it was way wider, I think. What do you think? It looks good. You look good. You look so fancy and designer, pal. And then I got the Boo Boo hair clip. It's just the Boo Boo all the time. Everywhere. Get this baby out of here. It's a clip. It's a clip. Hair clip. Oh, it's hard to open. Like this. Hair clippy. And then you have the Boo Boo, which is snazzy as all get out, I'd say. It's like Victor. Yeah, hi, buddy. Yes. Yes. Okay. And then this is actually a bag. What is that? Oh, it's probably off that headband. Oh, somebody showed some scary thing they bought on Temu. I forget what it was. It came in this packing, and there was bugs on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, bugs. Scary bugs. I don't know if they're alive or dead. It does not matter. They were bugs. So be careful. This is probably full of bugs, just like Oogie Boogie.
Yeah.
This is cool. This is a purse. But it can also be a pillow. So here's the pig. It's got a little strap here, and you can put your phone in there. See, might be able to put some tactical supplies in there. Maybe. That would be fun. Surprise!
Yes, I have $1.
Yes, I have $1 right here, Sonny. Let me get it out of my pocketbook. It's pretty nice. Okay, let me put this back in there. So that was very inexpensive, as usual. So that's very nice. Okay, that's what I got at Temu. You shove that box over. I needed, we replaced the doors on my sunroom. I showed a picture before. But I needed a new doorknob because that one was so screwy and odd. So I got this Schlage. It's just a black exterior with it's very plain, which I like. It's all black, so it's kind of hard to see. It's just plain exterior. This thing was $70.
Wow.
Where's this made? Let me see here. Mexico.
Is that Mexico? Okay. Well,
Maybe they should move their factory to the United States.
maybe they'll have to.
Maybe that's why it was $70. Okay, I'm just saying that's where this is made. We got to start paying attention to where stuff's made. I guess would be good. So Now this will be dealt with.
They make a lot of stuff. It's pretty okay.
Yeah, actually Mexico's fine. Yeah, they're reciprocity with them. Some other things they can keep, like their drugs. Other than that, you know, keep your nasty drugs. Then I went to Goodwill. Didn't find much. I found this mercury glass bowl. I have one similar to this. This has a teleflora thing, which are usually kind of I pass on, but this is very pretty. You know, these look nice when you put greens and stuff. I have one over there I keep wax melts in. So this was, which was this thing? $4.99. That's nice. I love me some mercury glass. And then I got also these Dala Swedish horses. Love them. I don't know where this is from. Yeah, this was $2.99.
Goodwill.
I mean, originally. That's all I got at the Goodwill. It was wild in there. It was just like wild. There was a woman racing down the aisles in an electric chair. Then I went to the dollar store and I got this mess. I wanted a plain glass plate to use with risers and all that. Boy, I'm getting a lot of sun. Una momento. Okay, sorry about that. I was just peeking through. Look at this tail here. So this is my glass plate. They have plastic ones too, but get glass. Live it up. And then they also have this. I love this. This was in their $5 section. It's so squishy and cute. Hi, Victor. How's it going, buddy?
Nice nose. Be ashamed if something happened to it.
Yes. As long as he doesn't have plastic. Yeah, he doesn't have anything plastic because Chihuahuas will chew plastic stuff off. So I'm going to put this on the bed, I think. I think they had a Santa. No snowman. I have a big snowman that I got through Misty last year. It's at the, I have to bring up. It's a big one from that booth that she goes to where that lady makes all those beautiful crocheted things. Yeah, she picked up that snowman for me. So this is very, very cutesy, wootsy. Then I hit Home Goods to hang out with all the other bitchy ladies, and they were there in full force. And the pickers were there. They were reading the numbers over the phone to people.
Oh, man.
Yeah, it's really weird. You know. And this I got as a riser. It's quartz with these nice legs, and this was $12.99. It's just a riser. Yeah, it's hard to find risers. I looked at TJ Maxx yesterday, zip. I looked at other places, nothing. Look at that. He wants that Labubu.
Victor, no.
So this will be nice. You just put things on there. It just elevates them. And then if you want more, because more is more. It's just like, oh, lovely. Stack them up. Stack them up. There we go. Stack them up. So, not that, and that was $12.99. Then I have been looking for one of these cake domes for the kitchen because I really like. I tried it first with a cheap Dollar Tree situation, you know, just to see if I liked it. You know, it's like, oh, if I don't like it on the counter, then I just, you know, toss it. But I do like it because I put my, excuse me, sir, my baked goods on here. That's why I got the. Oh, look at that. That's why I got the doilies. You put them on there. And this one has little legs. This was $19.99. They actually had several types. But, you know, of course, then I have to. And then, you know, I don't want it too big. I don't want it too small. You know, it's a thing, you know. See? Let me put it down. Victor. Yeah. There it is. There. These are nice. So you put your muffins or your cookies or whatever you want in there. And I can keep them on the counter. And they stay nice and fresh. This is a nice... I've looked at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, someplace else. none of these dome things. And I used to see these at the thrift store all the time, but lately, nada. Do you mind? You bake over there. Okay. So I'm very thrilled with this. I don't think this plate will fit. You can also put a plate on there. Yeah, but that's okay. This I will use elsewhere. So that's what I've got. For now, I'm thrilled with this dome. You can use it for all sorts of things.
Mm-hmm.
Victor would have fit in here when she was a baby. You just have a Chihuahua under glass, sir. You can highlight things like, oh, look. Don't touch it. Don't. No touch. So, you got anything, Mr. Retros?
No,
Are you excited about your lock?
I'm excited about that elf.
Yeah,
and
he
the log.
likes the elf. We all like the elf. If you get you one of these elves, I highly recommend it. He's super squishy and nice. They had a snowman at Home Goods, but it was all covered with sequins. It was super duper tacky. This one is very tasteful.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Tasteful
yes.
as hell.
Sniff, sniff, sniff. Hello, Victor, my old buddy, old pal, chum. So, I will see you later. Say goodbye, Mr. Retros.
Bye.
Say goodbye, Victor. Bye.
Ba-da-da-da-da-da.